Hi, Smileys. Happy New Year. How many of you have some big, maybe big or small, financial goals, savings goals for this new year? Well, I know that I do. And today I wanted to talk to you about one of the ways that I plan on making that goal. A lot of times we have goals, but we don't have any idea how we're going to reach that goal, or we don't even think about how we're going to reach that goal. Y'all know I love to cook, but sometimes cooking is exhausting when you have to wash dishes and go grocery shopping, put up the groceries. You got to wash your fruits and vegetables. It gets time consuming. So I want to say just don't give up. One of the ways I plan on reaching our financial goals for the new year is by limiting the amount of times we go out to eat and cook. Now, you know I love using my crock pot, but sometimes I get busy and I forget to pull out the meat. And I hear people are buying Instapots now. So, hey, if you have one, don't go out and buy one if you have a financial goal. But if you have one, use that, because I heard that you can put your frozen meat in there and it will get done in about 20 minutes. So I just want to be good about pulling out my meat, making sure that I'm making a plan. Some people say plan your meals for the month. That's a way that they've saved money. I've planned my meals for the month and still don't cook what exactly I've planned, because I go off of how I feel. If I feel like I want tacos today, then that's what I'm gonna cook. So we don't eat out a lot, but the times that we do, we're finding that these restaurants are very expensive, and we end up not really liking the food as much as if I would have cooked it anyway. So even though we don't eat out a lot, it's still costly. So we want to cut back the amount of times that we eat out this month and contribute that to our financial goal. And I can already see right now that that is already helping. I haven't spent as much money so far as I would have had it been last month. And another thing too is I'm trying to embrace leftovers and be creative with leftovers. For some reason, in my age now, I don't really like leftovers. I hate looking at them, and I hate making large amounts of food, because I feel like it's just going to get wasted. Something about large amount of food just makes me feel sick for some reason. So what I've decided to do is, with the leftovers, like if I cook up a pot of beans, I don't want to eat on those beans the whole week, but I will eat on those beans the whole week if one day I have it, let's say pork chop, beans, and spinach. Let's say that's what we have on Monday. But then on Wednesday, I take those beans and I add some shredded cheese and maybe some onion, and then serve that with the tacos. And then maybe on Saturday, take the rest of those beans and cut up some either put some ground meat in it, or cut up some other type of meat like Eckrich sausage, smoked sausage, and put that in there, and then it doesn't feel like a leftover. So not wasting money by throwing it away, but also not spending money going out to eat, because I'm tired of looking at beans in the refrigerator. So that has actually helped me so far this month as well. It's like, wow, my food bill, I haven't even hit 50% of my food bill yet, because I'm really taking advantage of these leftovers. So I want to encourage you all in that way. I'll try to give another tip, but that's one of the tips that's burning inside me right now, or that's one of my ideas that is burning inside of me right now. So I wanted to get on here and share with you. And check out my blog, www.smilingdanny.com. I plan on posting an excerpt or my thoughts every third week of the month. This month I'm going to post it this week, since I didn't do one in December. But check that out, because I've also shared some ideas about how to make life simple, not getting overwhelmed with dishes, etc., stuff like that. So, Happy New Year, Smileys. It's good to be back. You can reach your goals. Don't give up. Don't get stressed out. And remember that for those of you who listen to Dave Ramsey's radio show, or you're looking at maybe tweets or whatever, and you see the goals that other people are accomplishing and you're just downing yourself or doubting yourself, don't. Remember, that's their goals, but celebrate your accomplishments and goals as well. Even though it may not be as big as the next person's, it's still a goal that was reached. So celebrate that, and just focus on you and your family and really embrace that, and don't get discouraged by other people's successes. Of course, continue to listen to people that motivate you and be excited, but I just wanted to encourage you not to get down when you see the next person reaching these humongous goals, like paying $300,000 off in 1 year or 2 years, and you're like, man, I haven't even paid off 50 yet, but I've paid 15,000 off. Well, yay, congrats, you paid off $15,000, and you should be excited about that. Don't get discouraged. Just keep working towards your goal. You can do it. All right, once again, Happy New Year, Smileys. I look forward to sharing with you on the blog and seeing you again in my next video. Bye.